The dispatch window is separated into different sections. On the left, on the calendar, you can select the day you want to display on the dispatch calendar on the right. The dispatch section allows you to see your technician's schedule in a few different formats. The Today's Labor tab shows you a list view of all the work scheduled for your techs on the day selected on the calendar. The Day Planner tab shows your technicians across the top and the hours of the day down the side. Select the day on the calendar you want to view your technician's schedule for. In the Day Planner tab, you can increase or decrease the hours for your techs and drag and drop the order from one tech and assign to another. The orders scheduled on your tech's calendars are color-coded. The main body of the order, red shown here, indicates if the order is open, closed, or invoiced. On my system, all open orders are red, all invoiced orders are green, and all closed orders are yellow. The color around the site name is the color associated with the value in the order status drop-down field. For example, on this order, the color is blue. If we jump to the service order, the order status drop-down shows finishing. That drop-down value has a color blue associated with it. I'll change the status to dispatched, which is yellow. When we go back to the dispatch window, notice the color change from blue to yellow. This is the visual reference to the stage your order is in. The Day Planner tab is showing all technicians. You can widen the columns if needed. You can also filter your view to show only technicians by. Go down to the Settings tab, uncheck all work groups, and select the work group you want to view. You can arrange the order in which the technicians display along the top by going to the Setup module and select Users. Go to the Technician's record. On the Technician Settings tab, locate the tech rating. Technicians with the lowest number will show on the left side of the dispatch calendar, and techs with the highest number will show on the right side. The Week Planner tab shows you the techs across the top also, but down the left are the days of the week. Dragging an order from the Service tab and dropping it on the Week Planner will schedule the technician for a full day of work. The Order Planner tab allows you to view all of your open orders and drag technicians onto the orders. Select the day on the calendar you need to schedule for. Select the Text tab and drag the technician and drop on the order. Increase or decrease the hours scheduled. The Unavailable Time tab allows you to block out time on the dispatch calendar for your techs. Click Add, select the technician, and enter the date and time they are unavailable. The dispatch calendar will be blocked out for the unavailable time. The bottom section of the dispatch window is where you can see all unscheduled orders, open proposals, open service orders, open install orders, and open invoices. The Unscheduled tab shows you all open orders that do not have labor scheduled yet. Once you drag an unscheduled order to the dispatch calendar, it won't show up on the Unscheduled tab anymore. The Proposal tab shows all open proposals. The Service and Install tabs will show all open service and install orders. Invoices tab shows all open invoices. You can drag and drop orders from these tabs onto the dispatch calendar. I'll double-click on one of the orders that is put on the calendar and jump to the service order. Notice on the Labor tab there is a labor item added to the order. Edit the labor editor, such as changing the technician and changing the hours scheduled, and the change is reflected on the dispatch calendar. Once an order is closed, it will no longer show on the tab at the bottom of Dispatch. Use the Settings tab to select what you are seeing on Dispatch. Filter your dispatch calendar by technician work groups. filter the orders that display on service, install, and unscheduled by zone. If you have both service and install checked, the Day Planner tab will show you all service and install work scheduled on your text calendar. If you uncheck service, the service orders won't display on the calendar or on the Services tab. On the Service, Install, Invoice, and Proposal tabs, you can apply your search views. For example, in Service Orders, when I click Search View, I have a bunch of search views set up. In Dispatch, on the Services tab, right-click on the column header, and you'll see the same search views that you can apply. Just select the view and notice the columns change on the grid. If you want to create a new view for the Services tab, you must go to the Service module and create a new view. In this view, I'll add order number, bill name, service code, order status, and due date. I'll save this view and call it Dispatch View. Now in Dispatch, go to the Services tab, right-click on the column header, and I'll select the new search view. Now that I've selected the columns I want to see, I can resize the column width, drag and drop the columns in the order that I want. Once the tab is set up, it is saved for you. Other SME users will need to set up their own views of the orders on the order dispatch board.